What's up everybody, this is Scott, the TACMed EMT. Just doing a real short video for you guys today on EDC Trauma Kits. Something you can carry with you every single day, fits in your pocket, and you've got your basic necessities to cover a lot of your trauma needs. Right? In my pockets, typically almost everywhere I go, I pack this little combo kit that I made up. Basically all this consists of really is just a SWAT-T tourniquet pressure dressing. I've got a wound packing gauze in there. This is a quick clot combat gauze, a couple of 4x4s, and this thing's wrapped up in duct tape, fits in a shirt pocket in my shirt at work, fits great in a cargo pocket if you wear cargo pants. Doesn't take up a lot of space, doesn't really weigh a lot. The reason this works great is one, I've got multi-use items that I can use to treat a variety of trauma conditions. If I need a tourniquet, I know there's some controversy about the SWAT-T as a tourniquet, but let me tell you, in the EMS world, we love this thing. The SWAT-T has 1,000,001 uses, right? Stretch, wrap, and tuck. They're only $10. You can also cut off a strip of this if I needed to, and I could turn this into a chest seal using the duct tape that's attached to my kit. If I can use the wrapper and duct tape, and bam, I've got more chest seals. So it's very versatile. For pedia trauma, you can take this thing and unroll it, and I can maybe get 2 to 3 tourniquets out of it if I have a pedia trauma situation. 1,000,001 uses. I love the SWAT-T. As a tourniquet, it does work really well. It's difficult to use on yourself one-handed. There is some techniques to do that, and we'll probably do a separate video just on the SWAT-T and how to apply it to yourself one-handed in an emergency situation. If I got to pack a wound, on my EDC kits, I've got just a little initial package of combat gauze. I can pack those 4x4s on top of it and use my SWAT-T as a pressure dressing to hold that in place. Again, 1,000,000 uses, right? And again, duct tape to hold it down, duct tape to use with the wrapper for a chest seal. I can treat a chest injury, I can wound pack, I can tourniquet, all with this teeny little package that fits in your pocket. So it's a quick EDC way to carry some trauma supplies with you. Makes it nice, simple, lightweight, compact, and just something to pass on for a short little tip today. You guys take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hey, check out our Instagram page. We're trying to post some content up there as well. Hopefully soon we'll have a guest on our show. The Tacticute EMT is going to be coming on and doing her own videos on a couple different items. And we're launching a Facebook page as well coming up. Hey, if there's any videos that you want to see or any questions that you have, go ahead and post those in the comments or shoot us an email at tacmedemt@gmail.com. Until next time, stay safe, study hard, save lives.